We say our goodbyes and light up like fireflies, 'cause there's so many things left to explore.